Hello everybody, this is Dr. Manisha Meena and I am a physiotherapist by profession and I work in New Delhi. October, as we talk about, is the month of physical therapy awareness. As we talk about why in today's days, the physical therapy awareness is important, that is because the misconception or the myths about physiotherapy that we are coming across these days. Why the awareness of physiotherapy is necessary? This is because people have misconceptions. As I spoke, that people have misconceptions about physiotherapy, that what physiotherapy is and what the physiotherapists do, and a lot of misconceptions are there. I'll tell you in a very brief way that what is physiotherapy and in what all aspects in your life you come across physiotherapy, and how can you change the mind of people regarding physiotherapy. I would like to talk in a very brief way. First of all, what does physical therapy stand for? Physical therapy means physical plus therapy. That is treating patients with own hands. The professionals basically who treat patients with their own hands are known as physical therapy. Now, it's a very common thing that once or twice in our life we actually come across physiotherapy due to some condition or anything that we are seeing. So particularly one or the other individual has to come across physiotherapy at least once or twice in their lifetime. For example, now I will tell you the various aspects of physiotherapy, in what all various aspects you can actually find physiotherapy. First, I would like to tell you about orthopedic conditions. For example, you had a fracture. The surgeon performed your operation. What about after that? If you had a shoulder operation or a shoulder repair or anything that you have, the operation part is done. Now what about how are you supposed to come to your day-to-day activities like you were doing before? How are you supposed to come back? Now here is where your physiotherapist comes. Your physiotherapist will teach you how to come back to your day-to-day lives or day-to-day activities, how to come back to your day-to-day activities, will teach you how to gain your strength back, will teach you how to perform your activities back again. So this is like an orthopedic physiotherapist. Now you come to a neurophysiotherapist. What is the work of a neurophysiotherapist? In every aspect of life you can find physiotherapists. So the first one I told you, orthopedics. Second one we can talk about is a neurophysiotherapist. Neurophysiotherapist, like you had a stroke or any other conditions like Bell's palsy or hemiplegia or anything. How can one encourage the person to come back to its day-to-day life? That is after physiotherapy, repeated physiotherapy will let you come back to your strength, will let you do all your activities back. So this is what a neurophysiotherapist. Now cardiopulmonary physiotherapist. Cardiopulmonary physiotherapist, basically the people are in ICU and their lungs are infected, filled with mucus. Now here is what physiotherapy comes in role. That the percussions, the chest vibrations, the physiotherapist does helps in secretions of the percussions. So this is basically what a cardiopulmonary physiotherapist does. We talk about sports physiotherapist. The sports person or the athlete is playing in the stadium. He has an injury. Now he has to get back to his team and he has to play the sport. What happens now? The physiotherapist comes here again in the role and he helps the sports person to gain his activity immediately back, so the sports person or the athlete can go back to his activities. Geriatric population. Over there also physiotherapy helps the geriatric population to walk on their legs and not depend, and helps the geriatric population not depend on anybody else. So we talk about physiotherapy is there in every aspect. For example, pediatric physiotherapy. Pediatric physiotherapy will help the child who's not able to control things, who's not able to hold things, not able to stand. Now here is the role of physiotherapist comes, that he will help the child to regain his balance, his standing problem, his grasp problems, everything. If I keep on talking about physiotherapy, I might not be able to stop because there are so many things that a physiotherapist does. For example, we talk about the current era, that is COVID-19. The frontline warriors, along with the doctors, are the physiotherapists who are helping the people to secrete their lungs through chest vibrations, chest physiotherapy. So, anytime, once or twice, we come in contact with the physiotherapist, we should understand what is the importance of physiotherapy in our life. And we have to clear the myths and misconceptions of people regarding physiotherapy. Because in the coming time, physiotherapy is going to reach to greater heights because of the awareness that is going to get spread among people. So, I would like to request everybody that try to avoid medicines as much as you can and choose physiotherapy. That's all from my side. Thank you and wish you a wonderful day ahead.